Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to go ahead and create a journal on Book Vault. So, when you're on the home page, come here, click on Create. Okay, from this drop-down menu, just click on Book Vault Studio, and it will open up this page. Now here, our project type, I'm going to choose paperback, cover, and interior. You can give a name to the project, for example, tutorial journal. Right? You can set a trim size. I'll do 6 by 9 inches. And interior and paper type, I'll do black and white interior with white paper. Bleed, I'll go ahead and toggle this one on. And page count, you can adjust according to your needs. I'll just do 24 for this one. And you want to click on Create Project. Okay? Okay, so first I will go ahead and hide the cover page template for now. Okay? Just go and hide this for now. And then, so first what I'll go ahead and do is I'll click on page 1. Okay. And then once this loads up, I'll basically create the lines. Okay. So I'll come here and click on page templates. And now we have the interior templates library. So I'll choose ruled. I usually go with ruled, but you can check out the other ones as well. It's still loading up currently. All right, so I'll choose ruled, and then I'll go ahead and select narrow ruled. And what I'll do, I'll select all of them except cover. Remove this, and then I'll continue to the options, okay? And here I will choose our line color to be solid black, fully black, as you can see right here. And make sure it's 0000, make sure you press OK, otherwise it will not save. I'll leave these for now, and then what I'll do is come here and click on submit. Okay, and let's see the change. There we go. That's nice. So now you can go ahead and spice things up. So what I'll do is I'll come here and click on file library, and we have Pixabay right here. I have selected grayscale, and these are some of the options that we have. Okay, we could do this mountain landscape. Could do that. You could look at other things as well. Whatever does catch your eye. This one looks nice as well. Actually, the horse. For now, I'll do this mountain one. Okay. All right. Select that, and then this will add it as an image, but it's not filling up the whole page exactly. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna come here and click on this option right here that says make pattern. Okay, so now we'll create a pattern with a selected object, and what you can do is you can go ahead and make this fit to your whole page. So now you can go ahead and resize that. As you can see, it's repeating itself. Okay, you can go ahead and adjust as you like, and now you can go ahead and change the opacity a little bit so it looks good. You want to lower it down. I'll do about I think 10 looks nice, so we'll do 10. Okay, there we go. And now this will add it to the pages. Okay, we'll wait for this to load up right here. But, all right, there we go. Now, all you're gonna do is right click this, click on clone this page. We'll select all of them except the cover page, and then just click on clone. There you go. Just go ahead and press an OK. And this will have added to all the cover pages. And then all you need to do is go ahead and download this project. Okay, and it's really that easy and simple. We have your journal right here. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Ninja Guides. And I'll see you guys in the next one.